gonna make a nice little smoothie that is great for flushing your kidneys. I'd like you to stay until the end of this because we're gonna discuss at the end when to take it and who can't take it and all that fun stuff, okay? But first thing, if you have any medical issues, please ask your doctor before you take any herbal things or, you know, juices and things, please. So we're gonna use coconut water, and what I'd like you to see when you're buying your coconut water is that it's only coconut water, okay? Do not buy it if it has any additives in it. Obviously, if you can get a coconut and break it and use the water fresh, that's better. Coconut water will help you manage kidney stones. It is highly potent in preventing kidney stones, actually. It flushes excess potassium, citrate, and chloride from your system, and it reduces the incidence of kidney stones. That's why I want to use it. If you would rather make this with water, you can. Just make sure it's filtered, okay? So we're going to use celery for this. Make sure that it's cleaned and make sure you take out all of the strands, okay? Celery is a great anti-inflammatory, guys. It flushes toxins out of your liver and your intestines. It clears the walls in your gut, and it improves the function of your kidneys. So I'm using one stalk, and I'm just gonna cut it in fourths. Next, we're gonna use cucumber. Cucumber has a bunch of electrolytes to replenish your kidneys. Same as the coconut water, by the way. We're gonna use some parsley. I am gonna tear off the stems. Parsley fights bacteria, it fights fungus, it fights parasites, it pulls out pesticides and herbicides that are hiding inside your body. And it is loaded in vitamins, vitamin A, C, K, some of the B's. It's got iron, it's got zinc, selenium, magnesium, iodine, and calcium. Very, very good for your body. Guys, if you're not using organic vegetables, please peel the cucumber, okay? Now I'm gonna add half a lemon. As you can see, I didn't peel it, it's organic. If you don't have an organic lemon, please peel it. Leave the pith in. You don't need to even worry about the seeds. You know, whole lemons are beautiful for your body. They have the peel here has 5 times more the nutrients than just the flesh. But this will clean your kidneys, your liver, your gallbladder, your spleen, your thyroid. It just helps your body flush out toxins, okay? So as you can see, I have half a lemon that I just quartered. Okay, so you can make this in a juicer if you would like, and then just add the coconut water at the end if you want. If you don't, just drink it like this. It's perfect. Another recommendation, if you don't have a super powerful blender, peel your lemon. Otherwise, you're gonna have big chunks of peel. You're not gonna like it, okay? I added about a cup of coconut water. And now I'm just going to blend it. So I would do this for a couple of days. I would take it first thing in the morning, and then I would take it before I go to bed. Keep in mind that this is a diuretic. So when you take it at night, you're probably gonna get up and pee. But that's what we want, right? We want to flush our body. I would do it 2 days. So maybe the 2 days that you're not working, so you're not running to the bathroom all day. I would also drink plenty of water. That's important, you know, drink plenty of filtered water so you're flushing your body. We just tend to not drink enough water. Those 2 days, be very careful with your diet. Don't drink alcohol, don't eat sugar, try and keep away from flours, you know, breads and things, definitely fried foods. So try and have, you know, like bone broth, salads, clean salads with just olive oil and lemon on them for 2 days. You can do it, guys. You're gonna feel amazing, and you will feel cleaner, I promise you. If you're pregnant, don't drink this. Parsley can produce bleeding. So I would suggest strongly against it if you're pregnant, okay? Again, as I said in the beginning, if you have any issues, any illnesses, if you're taking any special medications, please ask your doctor. This is natural, but sometimes herbs can, have a conflict with your medication. So be careful, okay? I like this. It's a little sour from the lemon, which I love. You can taste the oils from the lemon skin. Oh, I like that. It's like zest, right? It's a little creamy from the cucumber and the celery. You can taste that earthy parsley in there. Really nice. Really, really nice. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you soon.